Hey YouTube, welcome back. Today I have another exciting unboxing for you guys to see. This is the Audiology Connect Universal Flexible Phone Mount. This one is different from all other mounts out there. This one has a safe and secure flexible arm mount. Allows you to attach your mobile device for any access and viewing. And flexible arm can be positioned at any angle, allowing for a hand-free experience. So let's go ahead and check out this 360 view at the box real quick. As you can see, it changed color when I turn it under this connect word, which is pretty awesome. It says also fit phones, iPhone 6 and 6 Plus and Galaxy S6. It is flexible, 360 rotation, secure fit, up to 2 feet extension. That's 24 inch. You use it at home. Compatible with most mobile devices. iPhone, Motorola, HTC, Samsung, BlackBerry, and any other phones out there, ZTE, Asus, LG, Huawei, or Google Nexus phones. And this is the side view of the phone, the box. Audiology. As you can see, the connect and the underline right here. You change color. So the features hold your phone or other mobile device for easy viewing and access everywhere. Clip your phone to desk, tables, chairs, cubicle walls, cabinets, bed frames, and much more. It is a fully adjustable 360-degree range, allow for easy viewing from any angle. Adjustable cradle accommodate most device safely and securely. Free your hands for other tasks while still keeping your device screen at a perfect angle. So this one comes with a flexible ball joint for a full range of motion. As you can see, you turn the knob right here so you can rotate 360 degree. And adjustable cradle accommodate most devices. So you press the clamp right here and it acts as a claw to grab your devices or your smartphone. And this is the top view. Little hook for to hang it on the shelf. This is another side view. So as you can see, this is like an iPhone right here, and then I show you a picture of it. Accommodate devices up to 4.5 inches wide. Ball joint allows for 360 rotation. Flexible arm mount. Lets you set your perfect viewing angle. sturdy clamp. This is pretty sturdy, I guess. Anchors mount to a variety of surfaces. Okay. And on the bottom is a limited warranty disclaimer. And then the copyrights trademark for all the Samsung, HTC, Motorola, BlackBerry, iPhone. I got this at the Ross for only $5.99 compared to $15 if you buy at any other retail store. And this is the back view of it. Flexible and invisible mount. It's the same thing, so let's see. No, this is the front, I'm sorry. That's the front. I was saying it's the same thing. This is the back, sorry about that, guys. So you can position your phone or other, so it's a similar. Okay, what I just read about earlier. So this is a picture. Pretend you're on the iron board. You click on the iron board while you try to iron, and then watch your shows or YouTube video while you're working, and click on the countertop or while you are at the kitchen cutting your fruits, or you can click on your desk or table while you are eating your breakfast. And you click on the stroller. Clamp it on the stroller while you're pushing your baby around, walking around. Either so keep you busy, or keep the baby busy too. So the uses: display recipe while cooking, browse the web while eating, read a book while lying in bed, watch videos while doing chores, works indoor and outdoors, keep kids entertained while on the road, stay connected while pushing a stroller, hand-free interaction while video chatting, act as a mount for shooting videos. That's probably what I'm going to use it for. In case I'm at a different angle, I need to freeze my hand, so I just clamp on this on anywhere, so I can record videos and many more. So basically, these features are all the same. Again, I'm not going to read it. Okay, let's go ahead and do this unboxing, guys. Go ahead and check out what's the build quality on this thing. Wow, the clamp is kind of super big, super size. Da-da-da. Look at that clamp. What the heck? Alright, move this plastic out of the way. Wow. Look at this heavy duty clip. Check it out, yo. This is the strongest clip with the heavy loaded or heavy duty spring in there. And the flex mount is pretty sturdy and strong. Wow. Okay. go ahead and do this real quick. So you had to use your string actually to, if you want to straighten it out. So as you can see, this is the clamp. It has a rubber feet, which is pretty nice, on 4 of the edges right here. Or actually 4 of the claws. So it opens pretty wide actually. And then guess you put this in here like that. So this is the ball joint mount right here. So it's allow you to maneuver 360 degree. So I'm gonna push in right now and then test it out. So as you can see, it allows you to rotate 360 or different angles. While your phone is right there. So let me see, for example, if it is stand like this. I wonder if you push the stroller and how this is going to vibrate and stuff, you know, jumping up and down while you're jogging or whatever. Well, anyway, I'm going to do some tests on this one and actually put my smartphone or my devices on here and check it out. Well, let me grab my iPhone 6 real quick. I mean, iPhone 6. Let me grab my Note 4 real quick. So as you can see, I have my Note 4, the white one. Let's see if I can clamp it. Oh, pretty easy to clamp. So if you want to clamp it, make sure you're not touching the power button, which is right here, or your volume button, which is up and down right here. So actually it fits pretty snug, you know, nice and tight. So just right here you need to screw it on tight. If you after you put it into the right position, you could tie this screw right here, so it won't move around once you mount it wherever you want it. Okay, so this is my unboxing for you guys to check it out. So make sure you guys like this video, give a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and share this with your friends on social media if they are looking to any of the extended mount. And I'm going to do some full review about it, how it works, I guess. So stay tuned. Thank you for watching. See you on the next video. Peace out.